Hi guys, how are you doing? What we're doing today, we're up here in Roundwood. It's a lovely day, lovely winter's day, it's not too cold. But what we're going through today is the importance of fire. Fire is everything. If you're out fishing and it's not terribly cold in Ireland, but if you're out fishing and you fall out of the boat or you fall off the bank and you get wet, you're cold. And if you can't make fire, you've no other form of shelter or anything like that, you've no way getting heat back into you. Fire is everything. It cleans water, it cooks food, and it boosts morale, the caveman TV. So what we're going through is what I would always carry on me to be able to make fire. So I work through a system called PACE, P-A-C-E, so primary, okay? A lighter will be my primary source of ignition. Now, the Zippo is what I always depend on. This is a turbo flame, but I have the Zippo empty today because I want to show you the use of this when it's actually out of gas or out of petrol. So that would be my primary, a lighter. My alternative will be a light my fire ferro rod, okay? My contingency, okay, would be using this, which is a Wazoo Bushcraft Necklace, okay? This is a striker here, a ceramic striker, and this is a ferro rod, okay? And our emergency then will be showing you how we can use this when it has run out of gas and it's not working any longer. Okay, so I'm going to come back to you in a second and I'm going to go through them, okay? So, this being our primary source of ignition, I have a bit of a stick here, okay? We just light the lighter. Everybody knows this one, okay? Everybody's lit fires like this. That's a little bit of fat wood, and up she goes, okay? Now, ordinarily, I would use the Zippo for this, but I'll show you later on why I'm not using the Zippo, okay? So now, we're moving on to the alternative, okay? So I'm just going to get this ready and be back in a sec. Okay, so I have my light, my fire ferro rod. I'm going to use the Wazoo ceramic striker, they're great. Okay, I'll just strike down on that. And that's how a feather stick works, so that's our alternative method, okay? So now we're moving on to our Zippo, okay? I usually put this on top of the Zippo. It has two purposes really. One, when you have this, the gas lasts longer, and I don't smoke, so I don't use the Zippo very often unless I just need to light a fire. So it doesn't run out of petrol as quickly because it can't evaporate when that's sealed with this Rager band on it. Secondly, this is a great fire starter. This will burn for about 5 minutes, this bit of rubber tube, okay? So in the very bottom of my Zippo, I have a little bit of char cloth, okay? Okay guys, so we have our char cloth that we took out of the base of the Zippo. As I said, there's no fuel in this, but we're using the flint to try and cross over onto the char cloth. It can take a couple of strikes, but we'll get there. Okay. Now I'm just going to transfer it into this. Okay, so that's our contingency, and then we move on to the E, emergency. Okay, so this is, yet again, we're using our Zippo, and in the base of the Zippo here we have a cotton wool that we impregnate with petrol, but this is out of petrol now, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that out I'll get back to you in a second. I'm going to show you this. Okay guys, so this is what we have done. We've taken a little bit of the cotton wool that's in the back of the Zippo. Now remember, this is out of fuel, okay? And we're using my Wazoo survival bracelet, or survival necklace. I just strike. Now it is a small ferro rod, okay, but it just takes a little bit of perseverance. Okay, there you go. So that's really a Zippo lighter that's out of fuel, okay, and it's just a little bit of the cotton wool. Okay guys. Right guys, thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Take care.